Well, we're going to shift focus now to Bengal, where the developments have certainly raised a pitch in between the BJP and the Trinamool Congress, but it's also a heinous crime which is being condemned. A Bengal woman doctor's death has shocked the people. On Friday, the dead body of a woman doctor was found under mysterious circumstances. The victim, who was a second-year postgraduate student of the R.G. Kar Medical College, was found dead inside the seminar hall on the third floor of the campus. One person has been arrested. Police have added a rape charge to the investigation. Nurses are protesting on the streets, and the resident doctors of hospitals have issued a statement asking for medical community to stand against the murder. Mamata Banerjee has given her first statement on the R.G. Kar rape. This is the big story. The first statement which has come in from the West Bengal Chief Minister on the R.G. Kar murder as well as rape case. I'm quoting Mamata Banerjee when she said that I have directed the case to be taken to a fast-track court. If needed, the accused will be hanged, even though I'm not pro-capital punishment. But they should be given the strictest punishment. That's the big news coming in from Mamata Banerjee. Kamalika is with us. Kamalika, this big statement coming in from the West Bengal Chief Minister, is this also her way to diffuse the tension, one, and preempt any kind of a criticism from the BJP that she's not serious about delivering justice?
Well, absolutely. She has come up with a very strong statement. She has even said that if the family wants any other type of investigation, in that case also she has no problem. And also followed by her, we have seen that the Police Commissioner of Kolkata has also stated that if the family wants to probe it through any other agencies, then they have no problem. Fast track should come up, this case should go to the fast track and capital punishment should take place, though she is not pro-capital punishment, but the heinous crime, this is the rarest of rarest crime. That's what the Chief Minister has said. Chief Minister has also stated that she is only requesting the doctors that whatever their demand is, that will be fulfilled. They will be taken very, very strict action has already been taken. The person has been arrested, and that person, the culprit, will get justice. The culprit will be given strong punishment. Along with that, she has requested the doctors to work. Now the big question is, will there be any steps against the hospital authority? Because the fact that there was no security, the fact that there was a security lapse, that is the responsibility of the R.G. Kar principal, obviously the R.G. Kar administration. Now what steps is taken on that direction, that has to be seen. We are coming to know that there might, strong, strict, all these security aspects will be looked after, and all the government colleges, like we know now, the movement has spread it to the other colleges too. Not only in Calcutta, we know AIIMS Delhi, we know Safdarjung hospital in Delhi, the junior doctors have also stood there for solidarity. We have marches from the morning. Candlelight marches are still going on, like yesterday night. One candlelight march took place. So keeping in all these things view, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has come up with a very strict statement that this culprit will not be spared of. At the same time, we really need to see, because the doctors, they are feeling insecure, what steps are taken inside all these government colleges and what steps are taken there to protect the doctors, because we were speaking to a wide scale of junior doctors who were saying they are feeling unsafe in working in the government colleges. There we have to see CCTV, how many CCTV cameras, in which hospital, that is to be seen. There where everybody is looking into, and if there is the demand of CBI investigation from the family, then the administration has no problem. So clearly, with an arrest and with Mamata Banerjee's statement, the state is trying to show that they are very strict on this and they condemn the incident that has taken place in R.G. Kar.
I'm just going to come back to you in a bit. You have been sending several ground reports. Let's take a sense of that, what's happening on the ground, as well as the multiple reactions.
This is the building. This is RG Kar Medical Hospital College, and the third floor of this is that the seminar hall where the body was discovered yesterday around 11:30, and it was a mysterious dead body because the mother of the victim, she has said that she has seen multiple injury, and she has also told us that her spectacles was broken, and she has claiming that she has been murdered. After that, there has been a rape and murder case added to it. Let me now also show you that this is RG Kar Hospital, and all these the nurse students and the doctors, they have gone for a no work since yesterday, and they are out in protest here, sitting in dharna. From yesterday they are in a no work, and let me tell you, the other colleges, they are also joining them in this protest. They are saying that they don't have security. They have asked for security. 24/7 security was required, but that security has not been provided, number one. Number two, they are saying that CCTV surveillance is not there. CCTV surveillance is not there. That's why they are also worried and they are concerned. Let me try and talk to them. You all are doctors. You are doctor here. What is your demand?
Our clear-cut demand we have expressed several times that the accused must be arrested and the investigation should be under judicial inquiry. Karon we not believe in police and local authority. We demand judicial inquiry and arrest the accused and exemplary punishment of the accused, so that in future this type of heinous act should not be happened.
We demand workplace security. I think this is the basic demand we can have to give service as a doctor.
You all work 24/7, online. Is this the situation that there is no CCTV camera, no security?
There are a few CCTV cameras in the campus here and there, but we really doubt how many are functioning properly. And that's why we are having this demand of proper functioning CCTV camera with proper surveillance.
Until this demand is not made, until the culprit is not published, you will go for no work?
Yes, till our demand is not met, we will go for complete ceasefire.
Well, there has been an uproar regarding the killing, regarding the death of this second-year student, PG second-year students of medical. The female who was seen, whose body was found there in this place in the seminar hall, which is in the third floor of one of the prominent government colleges of Calcutta. And here we see an uproar, obviously all over Calcutta the uproar is there, and we see that the nurses and the doctors, the junior doctors, they are in protest. See, they have written, we want security, we want justice, no mercy to rapists, because they believe she has been raped. Shame on culprits, we demand justice, and they are sitting here for a protest. Since yesterday they were protesting. There is no work going on. They have called for a no work, and in support of them, the other government colleges have also going for this, would like to talk to them. What is your demand?
सिक्योरिटी ज़्यादा होना चाहिए और सीसीटीवी भी प्रॉपर जगह पे फिट होना चाहिए, और ज़रूरत पड़े तो और ज़्यादा लगाना चाहिए.
The case has been started both under rape and murder. Sexual assault, there are signs of sexual assault as far as this is.
और ये कहना गलत नहीं होगा, पश्चिम बंगाल आज सरकारी आतंक का खौफनाक प्रदेश बन गया है. सरकारी आतंक का खौफनाक प्रदेश है. यह चिंताजनक है कि जहां एक महिला मुख्यमंत्री है, वहां महिला सुरक्षित नहीं है. यह ममता की निर्ममता है. संदेश खाली होता है.